Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by reproducing the failure consistently. That predictable run is your most valuable asset. Once reproduced, set breakpoints at the function entry, at boundary checks, and where errors are raised so you can observe state changes. Make sure to prepare the input state. Load the exact variables, files, environment variables, or mocks that match the failing scenario. This avoids chasing ghosts and lets you focus on the real behavior instead of incidental differences. Now, step through execution deliberately. Use step in to enter code you wrote, step over for library calls, and step out to quickly exit helpers. Observe the call stack to understand context and watch variables or evaluate expressions to see values change in real time. Once done, capture snapshots or transient logs at key points so you can compare expected versus actual state. These comparisons reveal where assumptions break down and point directly to the faulty logic. You finish by making the smallest change that addresses the observed cause, then rerun the specific failing case to validate the fix. This keeps feedback tight and prevents collateral damage. Once passing, add or update tests so the behavior stays corrected over time. If the issue persists, isolate components and create a simpler reproduction, reduce inputs, disable features, and narrow scope, because a minimal case often exposes hidden dependencies. Quick tip: if nothing changes, check environment mismatches first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.